morning, my beautiful people. We are up bright and early. It's not that early, it's like about 7:30ish. And we are headed to Williamsburg, Virginia. Gonna have a great time down there. It will be my first time actually getting to Williamsburg. Been to Virginia a couple of times, never been to Williamsburg, and we want to explore it. So, like always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I just threw the garbage out. Alright guys, so we've been driving for about an hour and 25 minutes or so. We are just getting into Delaware. This is the bridge that will bring you into Delaware. It's always been one of those signs for me when I do road trips, signaling that you have entered another state. So we still have GPS says about 4 hours 9 minutes, 265 miles. Due to gas prices, you know, it's not the best thing to take road trips if you don't have the money to do so. But we've managed to see that this trip all the way down to Williamsburg is only going to take us one full gas tank. So it won't be bad. So we're imagining 2 gas tanks filled up for round trip. So pretty cool. And now we are officially in Delaware. Okay, so after so much traffic and all of that, we are here at Busch Gardens. The sign was right there. It said the most beautiful theme park, or the world's most beautiful theme park. I gotta tell you, it took a while to get here. It was about an hour and a half traffic, accident after accident after accident. But we're finally here. We're here at the Christmas Town. We were gonna do this tomorrow, but we said, you know what? Today's actually a warm day, 70 degrees here. So we said, you know what? Let's do it today, and then tomorrow we can go ahead and tackle Jamestown and all the historic Williamsburg area. So it is what it is, you know. So we're here in the parking lot already.
Definitely gonna grab something to eat.
And yeah, let's enjoy. So we actually went into the employee parking section. Had to make a nice little Yui. You know, I was asked for ID. I'm like, I do not work here. I'm just trying to have a good time. So we came to the actual area. So Busch Gardens looks just like an entrance to a Universal when we were there a couple of months ago. And Christmas Village is going to be transferred to Christmas Village in the nighttime. So we're excited for that. Now, parking is always expensive in all these amusement parks. Unfortunately, parking is going to be $30. I mean, you know, that could have been a really good Chinese food dinner, but you know, it is what it is. So we finally get out of the car after such a long ride. We're just happy to be here. Beautiful weather. We literally 3 days ago we went to Pennsylvania, and that's the last video that we just posted, just in case you guys haven't seen that video, on Cozy R's Christmas Village.
It was like below 0.
It was like 20 degrees in the nighttime. So that's what we were feeling 3 days ago. Today we're here in Virginia and 70 degrees. Awesome.
Beautiful.
so we're in, finally in. Beautiful park. And we're a little hungry, so we're probably gonna get a snack and then we'll actually do what we need to do now.
I don't eat soon, I'm gonna eat Santa's reindeers.
Well, check it out. So far, really nice. Feels very Christmassy here. Christmas Town shop. So we cannot wait till later to take some really nice pictures here in the nighttime. Yeah, this is really nice. It's really nice. We got to go and find these rides though and this food before we start our day here just looking at the beautiful village. There we have some furry friends there. I think they're elks. I'm not sure. Correct me. Put it in the comment below if I got that wrong. All right, so now we're gonna walk through a beautiful part of this amusement park. Check out these trees right here first, though. Got the nice river here. We're gonna go through here, and it's beautiful. So come follow me. Peace on earth. Christ is born. The Knock Tower, look at that. That is insane. Truly, this place is so cool. They have different, kind of like different worlds, different countries represented in different areas in the park. So it's pretty awesome. I'm a little lost on which one this one is. I know that where it said welcome, it said Welkomen. I think it's Dutch, but I should know that one because I am a history teacher, but I'm messing up there. So you guys can comment and tell me what world it is. Oh look, it's Frosty. It's really cool. Oh, I think we're walking to the Ireland section, so everything is green. So.
Yeah, because I'm taking my corner.
Okay, now we're entering Ireland.
They do like ancient.
Look at this one. The spirit of Christmas is all over this park. It's beautiful. Alright, so we just entered Santa's workshop here in Busch Gardens, and it's actually really nice, really beautiful. It's a winter wonderland. Are you enjoying it?
Yes, senor.
So it's a beautiful place for pictures. If you have kids, there's Santa here, but we're not gonna wait for him. It's big of a line, but this is really nice. So you gotta check it out when you come here. Gave you guys an overall look of the beautiful Busch Gardens here in Virginia. So that's it for this video. So let me know in the comment section if you come, if you visited, and how did you like it, all right? Peace.